The only thing about it is it kind of disappoints you. You know, you think you did something for your country, and the name of the fight is East versus West. It shouldn't be East versus East.
While the victory by the people's champ Manny Pacquiao brought more Filipino pride to his countrymen, naging maigting naman ang debate tungkol sa estilo ng pagkanta ni Martin Rivera ng ating pambansang awit.
And that's the sad thing, is that someone's going to go out of his way and remember some sort of a law that they wanted to pass with it. But no one followed it. All the singers that sang before me sang their interpretation of, hindi ko naman binastos yung kanta. I mean, I don't think I did.
Maliban sa naiibang arrangement na ginawa ni Martin, especially for the fight, he also received criticism for ending the national anthem on an unusually higher note.
Ang mamatay na dahil sa'yo. The reason why I ended the song on a very high note is so that I can be heard over the usual boo, boo, or kasi lahat ng mga Pinoy, alam nila yung kanta, di ba? So they know that the ending is coming, sisigaw na sila. So hindi ka maririnig yung pinakadulo yung kanta. Whoever sings the anthem, good, bad, out of tune, beautifully, you will always be criticized. Someone always knows better than you. I wasn't there to please. I was there to represent.
Ngunit ayon sa National Historical Institute at National Press Club, nararapat lang raw na sampahan ng kaso ang mga awit dahil sa paglabag nito ng Republic Act 8491 o heraldry law. But in his defense, Martin also wishes to present a different side sa argumentong ito.
From what I know or what I read on the internet, it was formerly a Spanish poem that was interpreted as a Tagalog song. So why can't we also give our interpretation? If they could have done it 100 years ago, we can also do it now. I wanted to tell a story. I wanted to show my pride and my love for my country and to be a Filipino, because our Filipino fighter is just about to fight. So I didn't want to just sing the song like it was a recording or like a robot. I mean, if everyone sings the song, I don't care who the singer is, if everybody sings the song the same way all the time, magsidi ka na lang.
Sa ngayon, certain sectors are still clamoring for an apology mula kay Martin. Ngunit ayon sa kanya, he can only apologize up to a certain extent.
It's hard for me or anyone, I think, to really sincerely apologize if you're not sorry. But if I've offended anybody, especially these people who seem to say they hold all the rules and the laws, then I apologize to them and only them, because they didn't like it, but not because of my performance. I don't apologize for that at all.
Ngunit hindi naman lahat ay bumabatikos kay Martin. Tulad na lang ng ilang mga senador na nagsasabing hindi na kailangan sampahan pa ito ng kaso, kundi bigyan na lang ng 1 buwang suspensyon mula sa live performances. Now, Martin continues to battle it out sa mga nambabatikos sa kanya with a proposal na inaasahan niyang tutulok na sa kontrobersyang ito.
If you will allow me a take 2, I will send you the song however you want it, in whatever form. I'll have someone arrange it exactly to your rules, and then you tell me whether or not I'm forgiven. My point is, I did not purposely try and use the song or abuse the song. I sang the song as I was asked to sing the song, Martin Rivera style.